The accessibility features on iPad and other iOS devices help to provide students with assistive technology to help them meet their learning needs. To use the accessibility features, we first need to go into our settings. When we're in our settings, we need to make sure that the General tab is selected. Then by scrolling down, we can select Accessibility. When we click on Accessibility, we will notice that we have a couple different categories regarding accessibility. We have Vision, Hearing, Learning, Physical and Motor, and lastly, the triple click feature. With Vision, you can select either VoiceOver, Zoom, Large Text, Invert Colors, Speak Selection, and Speak Auto Text. VoiceOver speaks items on the screen. You can choose this feature on or off. In addition, you can also choose to turn on or off Speak Selection. Speak Selection is a button that will appear when you select the text. You can even change the dialects. You can choose different languages that are spoken, and you can even change the dialect of the English language. Finally, you can choose whether or not you want to highlight words as they are spoken. The hearing feature of accessibility will allow you to adjust the volume balance between left and right channels. With learning, you can choose to have guided access turned on or off. By selecting guided access, you can keep the iPad in a single app, which allows you to control which features are available for students. To start guided access, you'll have to triple-click the home button in the app you want to use. By selecting on or off, it will give you more options for guided access. You can even set the passcode used when guided access is enabled. The physical and motor features of accessibility allow you to either turn on assistive touch and adjust the home click speed. By selecting assistive touch, it will allow you to use your iPad if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. When you turn on assistive touch, a tool will show up on the right-hand side. By selecting the tool, it will give you some more options, such as Favorites, Gestures, Device, and Home. By selecting Device, it will give you even more options, such as turning the volume up or down, locking the screen, rotating the screen, and unmute. And by selecting More, it will give you additional options such as Shake, Triple Click, Screenshot, and Multitasking. You can even create a new gesture, which are a part of the Custom Gestures. Custom Gestures allow you to record gestures that can be activated from the favorites in the menu. Finally, you have the Triple Click option. By selecting Triple Click, you can select to either have the Triple Click home button, activate VoiceOver, Invert Colors, Zoom, or Assistive Touch. So, when thinking about trying to meet all the learning needs of your students, consider using the accessibility features on iPad and other iOS devices.